All right. What's going on, YouTubers? Welcome to another unboxing of not my video, but it is my video. Yeah, we're gonna do the unboxing of the Ultra Street Fighter 4 T.E.2 Fightstick for 360. Just got this thing in the mail. It's nice. So let's get to it. Been waiting all day to pop this open. So let's see. See, that's what we got right there. Bam. Turn it around. Bam. Just like that. Very nice. As you can see, got the little Madcatz swipe on the sides and on the front. Very superficial. Now before we open this, I was struggling playing Ultra Street Fighter 4 with this. Awful. It's just fucking awful. So we're gonna get to this bad boy. Fresh out the box. Never even touched. You know, definitely comes with all your cords, your cables. This is for your little screwdriver to unscrew everything up top and inside. We're gonna pop that open in a minute. Yeah, it's beauty. It's a beauty right there. It's nice. Definitely got the little padding, making it real nice and soft for when you whooping people's ass. And that's what it look like in the inside. Got your components. You got your cord here, and this is your detachable cord, so that way you won't worry about losing and unplugging on accident. And so yeah, that's about it. So enjoy. If you guys have any questions, please hit me up. Feel free, and yeah, have fun. Peace.